So I was scrolling through threads and came across this from Dirty South Radio. Hey, what AI can I use to transcribe YouTube videos and audio? And then I want to take that, make it into a digital book PDF version. Have any recommendations? Yes, actually, I have two. And the first is Glasp. Now, Glasp is a YouTube summarizer powered by ChatGPT. It's an extension that you can download in Chrome or on Safari. But because I'm a Android Google Chrome kind of girl, right, so I'm going to install it on Chrome. So let's click install. It's a very quick and easy process. You add to Chrome. You give it permission to add as an extension. It's going to do its checking thing. And if you click on your extensions here, you should see it pop up here. So let's pin that, right? So that's it. It's now on your system and you're not going to notice anything different until you actually go to YouTube. So let's go to YouTube. And let's find a video to edit. And of course, I'm going to use one of my videos from Digital Jamaica. Follow us on YouTube. Shameless plug always. Right? So I want you to notice now that when I hover over a video, an icon appears. Let's click on a video. And you're going to now see the Glasp toolbar appear in the right-hand corner of the video. Now, guys, this only works on a browser. It doesn't work on your mobile, right? So all I have to do is click transcript and summary, and it's going to transcribe the video right there on YouTube. You don't have to click away and do anything else yet, okay? And if I should click on any of the timestamps, it will take me to that section of the video so I can follow through the conversation while it's actually happening in the video, which I think it's pretty cool, right? So of course you can always, if you want to save this and edit it, you can always, do that, highlight, copy, paste. Or I did say earlier that it was powered by ChatGPT, right? Right. So that is the ChatGPT icon right there on the toolbar. And if I should click it, it's going to prompt ChatGPT to summarize the video for me. So it gives me a transcript, and then at the very bottom, it gives me a summary. So I get a transcript and a summary right in ChatGPT. And I can go ahead and edit it in ChatGPT. If I click this icon right here, I can go in, I can edit, I can change words because, guys, we have an accent. Right? And because we have an accent, sometimes the transcription don't really come out too well. Like, for instance, it says Katya Francis when it's Kadia Francis. So you can go in and you can edit. Now, here's the bummer, right? While ChatGPT allows you to share a link to this conversation, this transcription here, I can copy the link and I can share it with someone and they can come and they can see it. It won't allow me to actually download as like a PDF or a text version, right? So in order to be able to do that, I need another extension. And that one is called Save ChatGPT. And if I should Google it, it should pop up. It's a Chrome extension. Add to Chrome, give it permission, and boom, boom, there you go. It's now on my bookmark bar. So I'm going to come back to ChatGPT and I'm going to refresh. Not sure if it's necessary to refresh, but, I'm going to refresh and I'm going to find back the conversation that I want to download. Then I'm going to go to my extensions. I can always pin that to the toolbar. Find the Save ChatGPT icon. Click on it, and now I get this pop-up that basically asking me how I want to save it. Do I want to save it as a text? Do I want to save it as a PDF? I want to save it as a PDF. So if I click PDF here, boom, it pops up and I can then save it right from here. But remember, when you're saving a PDF, you can't then go back and edit. And I don't particularly want to edit in ChatGPT. It's not the most comfortable editor for me. So what happens if I want to save it in like a Google Doc or in a Word doc? Well, you could use Save ChatGPT and save it as a text file, or you could go back to YouTube and click on this icon here that says copy transcript. And if you copy that transcript, you can then paste it in words, which I have done here. And the cool thing is it saves the timestamps as well. So if you now want to go in here where you're a lot more comfortable editing, right? You can then match timestamps. So if I go to 127, say I'm editing this paragraph here, timestamp 127, I can go to the corresponding timestamp in YouTube and click it, and it takes me to that section, and I can hear what the person is saying so I can better edit the transcription. That's great. I could do the same thing in Google Docs, right? And so this way I can copy the transcript directly from the toolbar, or I can go to ChatGPT, edit it. And the good thing about having it in ChatGPT is that you can do several other things. You can edit for punctuation and for grammar. So for instance, I could type in, please edit for punctuation and grammar. Please edit summary, or please edit transcription for punctuation and grammar. And I click here, and there you go. ChatGPT is now doing its thing. So after you've edited in ChatGPT, just to make sure that the names and the spelling and everything is right, because it says Siobhan and Chevon, right? You can then ask ChatGPT to edit for punctuation, for grammar, whatever, yeah? And then you can now click Save ChatGPT and then save it from here as a PDF, because now the editing is done and you're already good to go. You can then save it as your PDF, right? So guys, that's it. It's called Glasp, Glasp, and it's a YouTube summarizer powered by ChatGPT. And there is also Save ChatGPT, which is a Chrome extension. So that's it for our tools of the week this week. All right. Until next time, guys, take care. Bye.